Hello everyone, this is our group and we are presenting about a widely known topic, that is global warming. So what is global warming? Well, global warming refers to the gradual rise in the overall temperature of the atmosphere of the earth. There are various activities taking place which have been increasing the temperature gradually. Global warming is melting our ice glaciers rapidly. This is extremely harmful for the earth as well as for the humans. So before we begin, let us understand how the mechanism of global climate change, or more commonly known as global warming, works. You may have heard of a global climate change which is often called global warming. We'll quickly summarize the mechanism of global climate change. Earth transforms sunlight's visible energy into infrared light. And infrared energy leaves Earth slowly because it's absorbed by the greenhouse gases. As people produce more greenhouse gases, energy leaves Earth even more slowly, raising Earth's temperature even more than it was, and it has already gone up.
So, some of the major problems are tornadoes, forest fires, bad air quality, hotter and warmer years, increase in sea level, and so on. Anshuman, could you please explain why these occur?
Yes. So over the past 150 years, humans have used more and more engines, vehicles and other machines. These devices burn through fossil fuels like coal and oil. Fossil fuels emit carbon dioxide, methane and other greenhouse gases. Normally, plants, trees and the oceans absorb the carbon dioxide and release it back into the atmosphere as oxygen. But an increase in fossil fuels has created more carbon dioxide than the nature can take in. Adding to the problem are the other human activities like deforestation and the destruction of habitats also reduce the number of trees and plants. The time lapse showed how we have been cutting down the trees and ultimately causing deforestation and global warming, which are some of the world's major problems. That makes it even harder to absorb all that carbon dioxide. When too much carbon dioxide remains in the atmosphere, it causes problems for the Earth's climate. Sunlight can pass through these gases, but the heat the sun generates cannot escape back out into the space. So the gases end up trapping that heat. This then turns the planet into a giant greenhouse. This is why these major problems occur.
This greenhouse effect leads to changes in the climate like increased temperatures. Average temperatures across the planet have not been increasing uniformly, but scientists observe a clear upward trend. 16 of the 17 warmest years ever recorded have occurred since 2001. As you can see, this chart shows the emission of gases which cause global warming by humans. Since 1990, the emissions have been increasing rapidly. As Anshuman had said, we had been continuously advancing and using more of engines, vehicles, and all which rely on fossil fuels. It is because of these emissions which causes it. This is very alarming and should be prevented.
Using more of renewable energy sources which will help our Earth to become a green planet with minimum emission of harmful gases. Making posters and campaigns, roadshows and more which can raise awareness. Using green transports like electric cars, and bicycles.
Raising awareness about global warming and planting trees. A very easy and simple solution is also each person plants a tree. There would be over 8 billion trees planted and can significantly reduce global warming. Like on the previous slide, the renewable sources help to make our planet a green and sustainable planet. It will be fascinating and beautiful.
So this is our team for global warming, which includes Anshuman, Atul, Joel, Daniel, Joshua and Zihad. Thank you. Hope you liked it.